Okay, what's up guys? Very cold day today, but I also want to check out, there's an RC shop down the road here from what my map is telling me. But before that, I need to eat. Let's check. I need onigiri at least to keep my body warm. What am I going to her? Cinemayo. Oh, nice. Anything else? Maybe a coffee. Favorite food. So the first process that I'm going to do is get the lights ready, clean up the place as usual, and then we set up and then we can start the vlog. Welcome to another episode of Aphrodite RC. You know we always bring you the magic. Like $100. Being that. And the rest is the video to see how I made it. So let's just do some cinematic B-roll for this and see how it goes. Oh, I'm liking this. Then you spray paint it, and then once you spray painted it, you flip it to the other side, and then you peel off. Get this feeling. I can't fight it.
A time machine out of a DeLorean?
The way I see it, if you're gonna build a time machine into a car, why not forget my time?
But you see, the point of RC cars are just to enjoy, just to have that moment where you can be able to drive around, especially if you're into driving. Then you will understand why people do RC cars. So if you're into racing, if you do sim racing, if you also like to race cars, then it's something that's just part of that. You always want an opportunity where you can be able to go fast. Welcome to another episode. What you see here, these are two Porsche 911s bodies that I built about a year ago. Neutral alert. Today the goal is to cut all these RC cars and then mask them to get ready for paint. So the R34 will have the iridescent paint. This one, the Evo, will have red to signify, Fast and the Furious red. This one will have the yellow because I was given a Drift Games yellow poster, so I thought it's quite cool. And this one will have this type of pink. Let's skip through the boring part and get to the part where I have cut everything. Today will be a short one. We're building an RC lift. My name is Collins. Welcome to Afrodust RC. After multiple attempts and months of brainstorming, we're finally here. What's up, guys? It's Sunday. I'm not in the studio. I'm not building RC cars. I'm seated on my rig, and I thought it would be a perfect time for me to show you what I'm up to. Quite happy with the outcome.